Hey everyone, it's Bella from MergeYourData.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use the highlighting tool in Tableau. Highlights can be really helpful because they allow you to easily identify and analyze specific data points or categories. They can also help you communicate key insights or trends to stakeholders across your organization. Let's get started. All right, so I've already set up my visualization in this sheet, and to create a highlight, it's very simple. I'm going to go over here to my marks section on the left-hand side and hover over subcategory because that's the category that I want to be highlighted. And I'm going to click on the little arrow, click show highlighter, and now I can search for subcategories that I want to be highlighted. So I can search for phones, and then the phones category is going to be highlighted, and I can focus my discussion of my visualization on phones and highlight that as well. So I can do another one. So let's do copiers. And now copiers is highlighted.